Okay.
Here.
Here, you sit here.
And here's some 5842. 5842 is the code. Oh, okay.
Okay. Morning. Everybody.
Morning, Mayor.
Okay. Grand Jet Breed.
Yeah, grab the Morgan.
Morgan. Yeah. Is this will you check? Correct. Your name,
Yeah.
spelling of name, and date of birth, place of birth.
Yep.
Okay, correct. Shirley Agrava Relly. Okay. This time. Welcome, family and friends. We are gathered here today to witness the celebrate the marriage of Grant Jeffrey Morgan Castle and Shirley Agrava Ray.
Really?
Ray.
Really?
Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. Paano ka napunta dito sa Tiwapara?
Eh, kasi po yung tita namin, yung hinahanap nyo din sa kasal. Si Tito Eli ka po.
Eli Sir Acosta po.
Kuya Eli po. Acosta.
Yeah. You stay here how many months? 7 years?
4 months.
4 months. This is not the beginning of a new relationship, but acknowledgement of next chapter in their lives together. Grant and Shirley had spent years getting to know each other. Is that true?
Yeah. 7 years.
And we now bear witness what their relation has become. Today, they will affirm this bond formally and publicly. Let us pray that as they embark on their marriage life, their union may be smooth and strong, for we are aware that they will face many challenges and difficulties together. Indeed, it is true what elders say, that you will truly know your partner's characters once you live together under one roof. It is there where you will discover each other weaknesses and strength. It is also where you will realize that this is the person you have chosen to be with for a lifetime. It's not always about happiness, excitement, or sweetness. And certainly not about health every day. It is true that staying in love is a choice, because the love you feel may not be forever. The relationship between spouses is not perfect, yet that they often argue and fight for, than they shower each other with affection. No comfort exists without the disagreement or understanding. Staying in love with your partner is a choice you have to make over and over again. Sometimes it's exhausting, challenging, and it's even boring, but at the end of the day, love, joyful moments, and shared dreams between the two of you prevail. No matter how tough life gets, as long as you hold hands and never let go on each other, I believe that you will overcome every challenge that comes your way as a couple. Therefore, Grant and Shirley, stand firm in your promise to be together and support each other for a lifetime. No matter what happens, no man or woman will ever break your bond and love for each other. Let me see that. Marriage is sacred. It is solemnized by the authority vested upon me by the law, and more importantly, by the blessing bestowed upon you by God. Always keep in mind in your heart that is your love for each other that will truly bind you, and you should never be separated by one. Your marriage, officiated by me as your municipal mayor, as is legal and binding. Once it takes effect, it will not be easy for you to simply separate. You will go through various processes. Therefore, if you have doubt about each other, you still have the option to step back or withdraw. Before the wedding ceremony takes place. So my question is, will you proceed with the marriage or will you not continue?
I see. Yes.
We will proceed? Okay.
Change my mind.
Since you are determined and have made your decision, we will now proceed with the ceremony of your marriage, Young and Shirley, witnessed by your parents, no parents, and friends, and all your loved ones present here today. John, I will ask you a question. Are you willingly here to marry Shirley?
Yes.
Are you ready to be the responsible spouse of Shirley?
Yes.
Will you have served her for the rest of your life?
Yes.
Shirley, are you willing to offer yourself and submit to Grant after this union of hers?
Yes.
Now we are proceed with the exchange of ring. May I have your ring? Okay. Will you take the ring of your girlfriend? So, you basic that. Grant, you will be the first to put the ring on Shirley and say your vows and promises to her. Left.
Ile.
Okay, say something to your girlfriend. Shirley,
I put this ring on your finger and I take oath my life to you. And I always love you.
okay, what do you say? Answer. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, your turn, Shirley.
Practice mo yun.
Put here, left.
Grant, wear this ring as a sign of my love. Pinanunod ako ng telepo. Sign of love and loyalty. That's it, Mayor. Ay, naku.
Okay. You, Grant, do you accept Shirley to be your wife? Your partner? to promise with the help of God that you will be faithful and dedicated to her, to love, to honor, and cherish for her in sickness, in health, in sorrow, and in joy, in poverty, and wealth, and to devote yourself to her and her alone until God separates you to them. You, Shirley, do you accept Grant to be your husband, to promise with the help of God that you will be faithful and dedicated to Him, to love, honor, and protect Him in sickness and in health, in sorrow and in joy and poverty and wealth, and do devote yourself to Him and Him alone until God separated you to them. Okay. My request to direct to attention toward me in this moment, you place two of you. So you raise your right hand. By the authority vested in me as municipal mayor, it is with great joy that I declare you, Grant and Shirley, you are now fully united as husband and wife and finally married.